Hello guys, if you're using SPayLater on Shopee and want to convert the balance to SeaBank, there's no direct transfer option, but you can still do it with a simple workaround. Here's a step-by-step method for 2025. So, start by using your SPayLater limit to buy something transferable, such as prepaid mobile load or Shopee Pay credits through Shopee's platform. These services allow indirect conversions into cash or bank deposits later. Now, go to Shopee Pay, choose Top Up and select SPayLater as your payment method. Complete the top up and now your Shopee Pay wallet will hold the funds you effectively borrowed through SPayLater. Now, link your SeaBank account to Shopee under Shopee, navigating to withdrawal and selecting your SeaBank account. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm. This will move your SPayLater funded Shopee balance into your SeaBank account. Open your SeaBank application and verify that the funds have arrived. The transfer usually reflects within minutes, especially during banking hours. Your SPayLater balance is now effectively converted to your bank account. And don't forget, you've only converted the credit, not cleared it. Head back to SPayLater, navigate to bills and note the repayment schedule. Pay it on time to avoid interest or late fee. Check both Shopee Pay and SeaBank for any withdrawal limits or fee that might apply. Usually, small amounts move freely, but larger sums might trigger checks or slight deductions. And that's the fastest way to convert SPayLater to SeaBank in 2025. Quick, practical, and fully within Shopee's ecosystem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.